Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, you are going to learn what is Metasploit and how does it works. Metasploit is widely used exploitation tool in hacking and security field, and most of the people call it as penetration testing tool. It makes easy to exploit known vulnerabilities in networks and operating systems and application, and also to develop a new exploits. Penetration testing is an authorized simulated attack on a computer system looking for security weaknesses and instructor detection system, which on the other hand monitors a network or systems for malicious activities. Metasploit framework is an open source and it is the most common exploit developed framework in the world. Metasploit has developed a meter that loads into the target system, makes maintaining access and controlling the target much easier. I would like to tell you, self-respecting hacker should have some basic knowledge of Metasploit. So now, open the Kali Linux. Now click on the terminal and just type MSF console, and here you can see the Metasploit gets loaded. The Metasploit consists of n number of exploitation. It may be on Android, Linux, Windows or Mac. Now type help. The help command gives the information of the commands which are present in the Metasploit. Here you can see some of the commands like core command, module command, job command, and credential backend command. So this command will help you in exploitation. So this is one of the method where you can open and use the Metasploit. And the another one is, at the left side you can see the M logo. This M stands for Metasploit. Now click on it. The Metasploit gets loaded. Now here comes the Metasploit. So that's a small introduction of Metasploit. In further videos we are going to learn more things about Metasploit and different types of exploits. It may be like using a simple payloads, PDF file, shell code and few more. So now let's have some fun with the Metasploit. Thank you.